Hey guys, and welcome to Math Channel. We have 3 divided by 3 divided by 3 divided by 3. So 3 divided by 3 gives us 1, and 3 divided by 3 gives us 1. Now 1 divided by 1 gives us 1, but this answer is not correct. According to the rules of mathematics, when we have when we have more than one division in one expression, we have to write we have to solve from left to right. Now 3 divided by 3 gives us 1. 1 divided by 3 gives us 1 over 3. Now 1 over 3 divided by 3 gives us what? According to the KCF, that is keep first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the next fraction. So keep first fraction 1 over 3, change division to multiplication, and flip the next fraction. 3 over 1 gives us 1 over 3. Now the final answer is 1 times 1 gives us 1, and 3 times 3 gives us 9. The final answer is 1 over 9. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this video, and share it please.